Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to be here to be part of the faculty for the PG course. So my topic is to see with you the role of imaging in diagnosing cirrhosis. This is the outline that has been given to me, and I will highlight the imaging features of cirrhosis. Correlation between imaging and disease severity will be detailed in the syllabus, and I will end up with some examples showing pitfalls in the non-invasive diagnosis of cirrhosis. With imaging, we may have different approaches, starting from the morphological findings, then going to the hemodynamic findings, completed by the elastographic findings, and indeed we will see the role of the combination of the different imaging criteria. So let's start with a very classical finding, the morphological one. The first one is distorted liver architecture. Indeed, this is well known by you hepatologists and pathologists as well. If we look at the macroscopic specimen showing the small benign regenerative nodule that are surrounded by fibrous bands. This pattern can be seen also on imaging. Let's start with the ultrasound showing the small regenerative nodules that appear hypoechoic, surrounded by fibrous band. But it may also be depicted on CT imaging, either non-contrast or contrast enhanced. But by far, the best imaging modality to show the distorted liver architecture is MRI imaging, with the two best sequences. The first one, which is a fat suppressed T2. Here, the regenerative nodules appear hypointense and surrounded by the hyperintense bands, completed with the dynamic